Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya here with the part 2 of Microsoft Teams. Today I'm going to teach you how to create or join Microsoft Teams through a team code. First, I will tell you how you can make a code so that you can give it to the members of your school to connect to you via Teams. So this can be used for adding students to teach them or having some professional meetings from your home itself. Let me teach you. First of all, when you go to Teams, you have an option that comes here to join or create a team, and then you have to click upon create team. So it asks you to select a team type, that is class. That means it's for group projects, assignments and discussions. Then you have PLC, which is professional learning and community. That's for educators working in a group. Then the school staff and other, that is some activities which you want. So I'll select the class. Then it asks me to enter the name of my team. So I'll enter science, and then description is optional. Then we have to click upon next. It will give you the message that it is creating the team. Then you can search for students or teachers. So I'll search for this one, and then we can click upon add. If you want to add more, you can even add more. And after you had added, you have to click upon close. Now let me tell you that how you can generate the team code. So you have to go upon this option and click upon manage team. You have to click upon the settings, and then you have the option that says the team code, and then you can click upon generate. After the code that has been generated, you can give it to the children so that they can enter the code. Like I am the child right now, I'm copying the code, then I'll enter it here and join the team. So you can start a new conversation, you can upload the class materials and many more things. So let me tell you something about its settings. So like this is the team I've created, so I can go on more options and then click upon manage team. So I can see that there are 2 owners of this team. If I want there should be more owners, I can add the member and make it 3 owners. And then you can go upon the channels. You can search for channels, like this is one of the channels that is being created. You can even like look into it, what is inside. And then settings, like you can pick up the theme about this, and then permissions, that whom do you want to allow to do this certain things inside, that's your wish. And then you have the guest permissions. Theme code I already told you. And then you want to allow emoji and sticker themes, you want memes to be uploaded, you can. And then you want to use OneNote with it, you may. And then we have the analytics, that how many users are there, how many messages. And then we have the apps. So the best advantage of Teams is that you can use all your apps from here only, like you have Forms, OneNote, Flipgrid, etc. And then you can even click upon more apps and then add it into your apps, and you can work through it. And then you can see there's so many apps, you can look into it. Let us go back. Then we have add channel. So we can add the channels here. Like let me give you an example. We have created a team called science, so we can add the channel that is named by physics, chemistry and bio, and then later we can assign them to the particular persons who from their email ID. Then you have to add member. If you forgot someone to be added, you can add. If you want to leave the team, you can leave it. If you want to edit the team, like if you want to rename the name, And if you want to change the subject, and this is the avatar that we say, you can even change that. If you don't want any of these, you can take it from the upload option, and then you can update it from here. And then if you want to get link to the team, you want to give this link to someone, you can copy it and give it to them via their email ID or any other way which you want to give. And if you want to delete the team, you can. And if you want to create a new one, you can create by clicking upon this option which I was telling you in the beginning. So now I told you that how you can create a team that is for the class. But if you have to create the team that is for professional learning community, you have to click upon this option and then you can name the team. So I'll name it PLC only, and then description is optional and the privacy private, and then you can click upon next. And then you can add some members to your team. So I'll add some like this one and this one, and then I can click upon add. So these will be the members who have been added. Then you can close it and go to your manage team. So it will show you that you have one owner and two member guests. And if you want to change their role, like if you want to make this person as the owner, so you can click upon that and then it will go in the owners option. And if you want that person to be member only, you can click upon the member option and it will again come back to the member option. So I hope you are clear. Thank you.